From 1978, immersed in the green hills of the province of Treviso, the Ceschin family have been producing, pressing, bottling and marketing Treviso DOC and Conegliano Valdobbiadene DOCG Prosecco. The wine-growing company Il Colle took root in San Pietro di Feletto, in the hills surrounding Conegliano, Veneto, in the very heart of the Conegliano Valdobbiadene Superior Prosecco territory. An area that is renowned and appreciated throughout the world for its beauty, its temperate climate, and naturally for its wholehearted vocation for wine production. Winding its way through a pulsating scenic backdrop is a trail of love, art, and the pleasures of wine. This is the enological district of the Veneto region, a candidate to become a UNESCO World Heritage Area. The company Il Colle have distinguished themselves for their entrepreneurial seriousness and the top quality level of the wine produced. All the vegetative stages in the vineyards, from pruning to grape harvesting, are closely followed by the company's own technicians, thus guaranteeing, as always, a wholesome and healthy product that has excellent top quality characteristics. Not an industrial product, but the result of extraordinary passion. The winery of Il Colle has recently been heavily restructured, expanded and enriched with state-of-the-art technology, exalting the quality level and underlining the healthy overall state of the company. Today, the beating heart of the winery can be found under floor level in ample underground areas, the existence of which is impossible to discern from the outside, and where order, rationality, attention and modernity reign. We are aware, however, that results are hardly ever obtained by chance, so our attention to detail never wavers. Quality control is guaranteed by our well-furnished analysis laboratory and by the constant attention of our specialists that are constantly brought up to speed because every grape harvest is different from the rest. All production processes strictly conform to the standards and regulations set down by the ISO 14000 BRC IFS certification. The HACCP auto-control method is also in place. The vinification or winemaking plant is fitted with the most up-to-date equipment. Technological modernity perfectly respects our traditional natural methods, as is the case of the grape pressing system that takes advantage of the different levels, thus guaranteeing minimum damage to the grapes, whilst exalting the quality of the final product. The white grapes picked by hand are gently pressed. Once the impurities have been removed, the grape must, along with the yeast, carefully selected according to the type of wine, is allowed to ferment at a controlled temperature. The sparkling wines are fermented in autoclaves using the Chamat method so as to obtain excellent Prosecco, and considering the geographical location of the company, this wine takes the lion's share of our production. Today, the Prosecco emanating from the Il Colle vineyards is amongst those boasting the lowest level of sulfur per unit, and this is limited by our working method, which excludes contact with the air and consequently with oxygen. Thanks to this philosophy of respect for nature, respect for the product, and with a great deal of professional assistance from the company's technicians throughout every work stage, we are now able to obtain wine which is wholesome, top quality, and absolutely free of residue. The red grapes are left to ferment along with their skins for the required number of days. The grapes that are allowed to wither on the vine are pressed after a few months so as to obtain the delicious straw wines from Il Colle. Last but not least, the wines are refined in oak casks and are transformed over time into the well-renowned and appreciated barrique wines. A natural elegy of fragrances, colours and tastes. The entire process is carefully controlled by two analysis laboratories, one within the company itself and one external. In order to give the consumer even greater peace of mind, we also use the HACCP control procedure. Besides the Prosecco Il Colle, the company also offers a vast and varied range of wines that meet the tastes of even the most exacting of clients. The sparkling wines, the Prosecco DOCG Extra Dry and Brut, the Dry Cartizze, the Cuvée, and the Millesimato made to an exclusive Il Colle method, the sweet Moscato Rosa Dolce, and the Pinot Chardonnay Brut, the white wines Pinot Grigio, Sauvignon, Il Prosecco di Conegliano, still and sparkling, the red wines Cabernet, Merlot, Masello, Novello, and the delicious Marzemino Passito. The new Marzemino Passito prime liqueur, together with the grappa and distilled Prosecco, put an indelible stamp on an incredible variety of superior products, all with the trademark Il Colle. Those who know how to choose quality prefer Il Colle, a taste of prestige. Program a guided visit to the winery and vineyards of Il Colle, Via Colle number 15, San Pietro di Feletto, Treviso, Italy. Il Colle, 100% DOCG Prosecco.
In vino veritas. In vino benignitas. In vino sobrietas. In vino fertilitas. In vino brevitas.